Namaste, Jai Bharat. These days, the Pakistani YouTubers, a lot of information you get from Pakistan is sporadic YouTubers. There are many who make things and upload, and quite a few interesting things come to be seen. That's how desperate they are. Now, quite a few discussions I came across. They are not regular YouTubers. They speak it from the mobile. It seems they say that interestingly they all start accusing one another. Someone says he is at fault. Someone says this man is at fault. This fault, that fault. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. Except mine, it's all mistakes of all others because they have serious problems. Serious problem means they don't have food. They don't have oil. They don't have anything. They don't have electricity. They are short of water. They are short of everything. And because of this another thing, very very serious. They don't have things. So they have this problem of not having enough materials to exist and live. But the greatest thing, the biggest problem in Pakistan is that lawlessness. There is already a case that Pakistan is indisciplined society. If we talk in general, the society of Pakistan is generally indisciplined people because their morality is lack of opportunity. I should say this: their morality is lack of opportunity. When they don't get a chance, they are good, and the moment they get the chance, you see they are a different kind of people. Europe is an excellent example for this. You take all the refugees, and after a time, when they are comfortable, you see how they react. You ask for it, and you suffer. I don't have any sympathy, serious sympathies to the politicians of Europe who facilitated refugees. The common people did not know all the stories that comes to their head, then only they realize. But those policymakers, those rulers who did this foolishness in all kinds of lofty, idealistic, stupid thoughts, I would say it's stupid thoughts. And then they make the people suffer because of irresponsibility and lack of farsightedness. So, given an opportunity, they will behave in an entirely different way. When they don't have opportunity, they will be exceptionally gentle. So, morality for such society, especially Pakistani society, is simply lack of opportunity. They have no question, they have no understanding of dharma. They will do anything because they need that kind of a suppressed, very strong law. Otherwise, they are ringless. They are brainless. They do anything. So, when this kind of situation takes place, you can expect a society which is already lawless is turning into anarchy is only normal. All kinds of things. People loot malls, they break into shops and take everything. Who will ask? So, this kind of situation is absolutely chaotic, and chaotic is a milder term. It should be absolutely anarchy. There is no one to ask. There is no one to place a law and order. There is no one to insist and keep law and order in place. Something of that sort. Utter confusion. So it's natural that people are absolutely desperate. In their despair, they accuse one another. This is precisely what one understands from the kind of expressions you find in the YouTubes that Pakistanis make. YouTubers means at random people upload, and someday somebody will show their screenshots and speak about it. But mostly there are random uploads I happen to hear because just was trying to see what's happening on the ground situation in Pakistan. So this situation is there. They accuse one another, and so confusion. And this kind of conflict should come to an end in time. It can't prolong because the people are miserable and suffering, though the people are absolutely very uncivilized, very unruly. This is a fact one has to accept. Very unruly. There are a lot of good sides, there are a lot of good points, but then this fundamental problem is that morality is lack of opportunity for them. Given an opportunity, there is no prediction what one shall do. As I just mentioned, Europe is an excellent example. Given an opportunity, how your neighbor behaves, you can't predict. And actually, it's not that you can't predict. He himself doesn't know how he is going to behave next moment, given an opportunity. That's the thing. He himself doesn't know how he is going to be in another changed situation, in another frame of situation. Then he would be absolutely different. You will be shocked to see such behavior from an unexpected source of a known person. unexpectedly shocking behavior from someone who thought you know him, you understand him. Not his fault, because he himself doesn't know that this is something which is hidden in him. So lack of opportunity, his morality is intact. Given opportunity, his morality manifests into multiple strange and different angles, and then you are in shock, and of course you suffer for that. And those who facilitated this suffer, and this frustration in Pakistan is normal. Now they are frustrated, they'll cry and they will shout. The moment that thing is over, they will be different. So absolutely unpredictable. There's a saying, we say that multiple father syndrome. Multiple father syndrome is a saying that is something which we make, that if you should have a character from your heritage and father, of whose multiple father is a biological impossibility, but culturally it is possible that you have many characters in you, and different frames of situations you have different characters. Impossible to coexist with such people who do not know what they are and who do not know how they will behave. This is a problem in Pakistan, and anyone comes as a leader, how he behaves no one knows. Now this way, then that way, tomorrow another way. This kind of confusion shall remain with the society of Pakistan until some fundamental radical changes happen them through a culturization. A culturization of their past, that's the only solution they have. We shall meet again. Namaste. Jai Bharat. Jai Sri Ram.